So tinea or dermatophytosis, and there, look, here's some more, right, in this piece. And, it's just a simple fungal infection, ringworm, not going to be fatal to the patient. But I've seen cases where dermatophyte wasn't thought of and wasn't biopsied or scraped and was treated with steroid for a long time, sometimes years. And I'm sure you've all seen this too. And then it leads to tinea incognito, which is basically very extensive and sometimes severe looking, rash clinically that keeps getting worse no matter what steroids you put on it, because you're basically knocking out the immune system and letting the fungus overgrow. And then those patients can, it can be very disfiguring and also uncomfortable. And I've seen patients that unfortunately have had years of untreated dermatophyte or improperly treated because they were treated with steroids and never sampled. So if you're watching this and you happen to be a non-dermatologist or a new dermatologist in training, remember that if you get a rash that continues to get worse with steroids, check for fungus, please, or at least try an antifungal therapy, because that's a significant problem. And I've seen some pretty bad cases of tinea that have really caused a lot of morbidity to the patient for a long time. So the simple fungus, even though it's common and simple, still can be a real problem for people. Not everything that's bad is cancer. There are plenty of non-cancerous rashes or infections that can actually really dramatically cause quality of life and morbidity for patients, even if they're not deadly.